Hi everyone, here we're having the blue color classic flat bag from the Real 187 factory. Their bags is always having the perfect alignment. Look at that. And I think this blue color could be a perfect option for summertime. And their leather is still as good as before, the closest to the authentic in this business. A perfect hardware color. This is beautiful. The backside pocket is also having perfect alignment. The interior is also blue color. Wow, the leather is really great. Look at this part. I mean, beautiful texture. Want to have this beauty? Contact me to get. Thank you for watching.